10 ways your body might be crying for help. Consistent craving for something salty or ice to chew can be an indication of an underlying issue or a deficiency of vitamins and minerals, according to specialists. That's why it is always necessary to take note of any new habits that are forming, particularly if they seem to be developing out of the blue. We have compiled this list of ways your body might act with the expectation that you take actions that would help you be healthier and happier. 10. A creeping, slithering sensation in your legs. If you have strange sensations in your feet and legs such as the impulse to move, a slithering or creeping feeling, it may be a sign of restless leg syndrome. This condition is long-term and is most uncomfortable at night when you're trying to rest. 9. Skin thickening. Don't overlook skin issues or underrate them. When the skin gets itchy and thick, it can be an indication of several internal issues such as eczema, allergies or a hormonal disorder. It is advisable to get blood tests done if this problem continues or if it seems to be worsening. 8. Intense dreams, change in handwriting and loss of smell. Most of us have heard of Parkinson's disease, but we are probably not familiar with its symptoms. The slowness of movement, changes in speech and writing, tremors and poor sleep alongside nightmares are all symptoms, doctors caution. 7. Angry and hostile behavior. Eruptions of anger may not always be because of your personality. It could actually be linked to depression according to several researchers. These researchers say depression isn't only always about experiencing sadness or having little energy, you could also exhibit hostile behavior. 6. Oversleeping. This is known as hypersomnia and it may come from other issues, not just tiredness, according to doctors. Several autoimmune diseases may cause the urge to sleep pretty much anywhere. In addition, drinking alcoholic beverages before bed may trigger this urge. 5. Eye color changes. If a white or gray ring appears around the corner of the eyes, it may be an indication of elevated cholesterol for those under 45 years old, doctors say. However, the ring poses no harm and is merely a visual effect. 4. Craving salty food. Liking salty food is fine, but when it becomes an uncontrollable desire and salty food becomes all you like to eat, it is advisable to check why. According to medical sources, this could be a sign of anemia, dehydration, iron deficiency or premenstrual syndrome. 3. Fatigue, low libido, and absent-mindedness. You also may gain weight and feel cold. People occasionally mistake this for depression because it looks like you're so fed up and exhausted with everything that you're too tired to remember things. Doctors say that it is important to not overlook such things as it can indicate a thyroid hormone problem. You may also feel cold and notice weight gain. 2. Persistent thirst. Feeling thirsty constantly is not a good sign according to specialists. In some cases, it could be linked to the food you eat, so assess your diet to see if you are consuming too much salty or spicy food. The persistent thirst could also be an indication of pregnancy or diabetes. 1. Desire to chew ice. An urge to munch ice can be simply explained, and it may not just be a habit. Anemia or an iron deficiency may be the culprit behind this odd urge according to research. It would be in your best interest to get some blood tests done to find out if you have to begin taking supplements. What other unexpected signs and symptoms do you know of that could indicate issues with your body's overall health? Kindly share your stories in the comment section as they could be helpful for someone else.